Yo guys, welcome back to my channel The Bug. Today's video is about my recent purchase for my personal laptop. It is a cooling pad, guys. The reason for me to buy this product is because I want my laptop to perform at peak always. I don't want it to become warm. So you must be knowing, guys, the high performance laptops tend to heat very quickly. Without ado, let me quickly show you guys the cooling pad. Okay, here it is. This is the one. So we have this aluminium cooling pad as well as a USB cable which you get in the box. Sorry, I'm not showing you the box because I kept it somewhere. I'm not able to find it. But anyways, let me show you guys the build. The brand is Zinc, and you can see there are two fans here, and at the back this is the picture. How it works is you keep the pad here on a flat table, and there is this adjustment mechanism you can see here. So sorry guys, I'm shooting via my smartphone. This is adjustment mechanism. So you can see here 3 steps. This particular thing will go here. I can see I'm doing it. So yeah, here it is. So basically you can adjust the elevation of the cooling pad. This is the first step, which is ideal for positioning your laptop, and if you want even more further elevation, you go to this step, the second one. Yeah, like this. So you can see here it's the second step. Likewise, if you go to third, this is the elevation. Same way, if you go to the last thing, which is the highest, yeah, this is the highest elevation. So based on your comfort, you can adjust the elevation. So I'm keeping it in the first step. So yeah, how does it work? So basically you have this USB cable, right? So this end or this one goes here. You can see this is the USB, and this one will go to the laptop. There's no separate cable which will power this particular pad, so it's powered by USB cable, and it will go to the laptop. Let me quickly show you guys how it looks when you keep the laptop on the pad. Okay, before keeping the laptop, this is how it looks. So now the fans are on. Let me disconnect the USB from laptop. You see, the fans have stopped working. And now let me plug in the USB cable into the laptop. It's pretty tight, guys. Now you see. So this is how it works. Okay guys, I have kept my laptop. So this is how it looks. Plug the USB cable to the laptop, and you can see the connection here. So this pad is powered by laptop itself, but not the electricity, and it will look even better during the night. Yeah, so this is how it looks, the overall setup. I must say the cooling pad is noisy, but not at that greater extent, and kind of good one, I must say. It gives your workstation a pretty modern look. People who see it from far, they might think that okay, there is some serious shit going on in the workstation. So good for gamers, because they want their laptop to perform at peak when they are playing games, and we have to agree, guys, we don't want that heat coming out of laptop. So this is the best investment. The reason why I bought this particular pad is to improve my laptop's health. When I spoke to my friend who is using a high-end laptop from a very long time, he told me to get a pad immediately because you're investing a lot of money on the laptop. This cooling pad, I will tell you guys, I've been using from almost 3 to 4 weeks compared to the earlier times where the heat was more out of the laptop. After getting the cooling pad, I can see a great reduction of the heat itself. so this way I can ensure that my laptop's life will be longer. Okay guys, this is it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching my video friends. Hope this will help someone who is looking at buying a cooling pad. Trust me, don't invest high-end cooling pads. This is completely fine what I have bought. It's again up to the people's choice. I don't want to invest a lot on the cooling pads. Saying this, I will end my today's video. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.